My name is Dinesh Pedlar. I have 15-year experience in CNC machine operating and CAM programming. 4-year Gulf experience in Dubai. In Dubai, I am working in Autotech engineering. Autotech is one of the biggest company in the world, especially manufacturing of spare part business. In Dubai, lots of spare parts project done. There Emirates Aluminium, Dubai Aluminium, Qatar Aluminium, lots of project done in Dubai. Now I am working in here India as basis mold Pune. This company is specially automobile spare part manufacturing company. Sir, I am Dinesh Pedlar. I have 15 years experience in CNC machine shop, CNC machine operating and COM programming. 4-year Gulf experience in Dubai. Now I am here working before joining 2 years. Silver basis mold in Pune, Maharashtra, India. This is our job drawing. Here is lots of hole. You can make here some pockets. You can look here some pockets, some holes, drilling, tapping. Lots of operation in this job. This is our job drawing. Here is you can look some program here create. This is our time sheet. How to one program, how many hours, how many minutes here is, you can look here. All details in this sheet available in this job. Okay, thank you sir. Here you can look your hidden hand control panel. This is a very big and very easy control panel. Inside machine, one job loading, and now working in reamer machining. You can look how to machine work. This is the model.